Hola, ¿cómo está?
Eso, carne.
Tiempo de hablar español.
Es tiempo.
Es tiempo. We've just arrived in Mexico to check out a really special place.
Can we go into these bubbles, please?
A little friend. Look at her. This is our hotel. This is where we're staying. Check this out. Look at that. One huge bubble. All right, let's go in. So we have to hurry up and open the door to get in because otherwise it deflates. So let's check this out. There goes the zipper. All right, let's do this. You're the smallest.
We gotta go in right away.
Run. Hurry. Hurry.
It seems like
No. What a task. Crap. Yo, the zipper sucks.
we're deflating in a second.
Okay, we got this. We got this. All right, we're sealed in on this side. We should be fine. Open it.
3.
I think we're fine. Oh, this is our bathroom? Whoa, check this out. What happens if you fart in here? Does it take off because of the hot air? This is really cool. Yo, this AC's pumping though. We are currently trying to get to this 5-star restaurant, and the roads are like the worst. Like we're in a car.
Stop saying that word.
It's like SUV 4x4.
Thankfully, we have a Chevy Malibu to guide us on our journey.
This food better be worth it.
This better be the best huevos I've ever had in my
Ay
life.
Dios.
Huevos rancheros con salsa verde.
Like from under cheese right now.
Oh, yeah.
You know what from under cheese is? From under my balls. I knew she was gonna like that one.
Wait, is that actual cheese?
Oh.
Jesus Christ. She really just asked this question. Fam, these pancakes had corn in them. I don't think y'all understand how bomb this is. Look at these two feeding each other in public. But my favorite part of this restaurant, you ready for this? Say something. There you go. Goats and sheep. My favorite. Yep, that's right. How you doing? It hurt? Found a baby piggy. I want that little guy right there. Looks like a little rat. Give me that milk. Oh, there's a fight. So there's a bunch of vineyards out here on this side of Mexico. And we just got to a place called Cuatro Cuatro. It's like a bar restaurant kind of thing with a nice view. We needed to do some work, so we just came out here to check this place out. Looks pretty cool thus far. I think we're the only ones here because we got here early in the day. It's about noontime. So yeah, let's check it out. So now we can take a little bus up to the spot. We're not all the way there yet, but check out this view. Sick. Hello.
Don't know what to do with my hands.
This place is really nice. And the fact that we're the only ones here. Clutch! I just hope they have power cables. I'm gonna have to plug my laptop into this haystack over here.
Hello.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir. Saludos. ¿Cómo están?
Great. So I'm gonna work on that.